Hello friends, welcome back. Today we'll see can you use a two-way switch as a one-way switch. For that we have a bulb connected to a wire. Now I'll switch on and see if it lights. Yeah, it is glowing very nicely. Now I have a two-way switch. If you see here, two-way switch have 3 points. For clarity I have marked them as L1, L2 and C. Generally, we use two-way switch in staircases, one at the top and one at the bottom, so that we can control it from anywhere. We can switch it off from the top or we can switch it off from the bottom as well. To understand it better, I have put 3 points here, L1, L2 and C. So how it works? So when you say kind of press the button of a two-way switch, either that C connects to L1 or it connects to L2 like this, but C cannot be connected to both L1 and L2 in one go. So either it will be connected to L1 or it can be connected to L2. So to work as a two-way switch, two-way switch is a one-way switch rather, what we can do is we can connect the source to either L1 and L2 and C to our bulb. So let's see how it will work. I have connected my source to L1, if you see here, and the other point of C to the bulb. Now how it will work? For example, if you see this, the current scenario, the source is connected to L1 but C is connected to L2, so the bulb will not light. But the moment I press the switch, the C will now get connected to L1. So if you see, the current will flow from here, come to L1, it comes to C, then it flows through here and it reaches the bulb. So the circuit will get completed here and the bulb will light. So what we'll do is we'll connect it to the two-way switch and we'll see how it works. So now if you see here, I have connected my source to L1, that is the top one, and I have connected the other point of the bulb to the C, that is the middle one. Now if you see here, I'll show in the tester. I'll try to show. The bulb is glowing on the L1, but if you see here on the C, when I put in the C, it is not glowing. So now I'll do one thing. I'll press the switch. If you see, bulb started glowing. And if you see here now I have current in L1. If you see here, light is glowing. Now if you see, there is current in C also. So that's why the bulb is glowing here. So this is pretty simple. You can use a two-way switch as a one-way switch. So hope it's useful to you guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Goodbye.